Hello, friend. Mormo here. Today I'm doing a product review. I kind of wish I could get review access to it. I can't really afford to buy it right now, but it's a PLR product and you get PLR access to all of these dog videos. So you could make a show with dog content, or you could make shorts. They're talking about making shorts. And I wish I could see an example of these videos to know if they're already edited vertical or if you have to make your own vertical videos like with Canva or whatever. I didn't buy this product, and as of now I don't have access to it. I don't really need dog PLR. It wouldn't fit in with my business, but I could see it being useful to a lot of people who want to grow an audience in the dog niche. And so we're going to look at the videos, or we're going to look at the JV page, and then maybe we'll look at the sales page. Yeah, we'll look at the sales page too. And so keep watching. Hello, friend. Mormo here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're looking at this product called 365 done-for-you viral dog video shorts with 100% unrestricted usage rights for you and your customers to resell, rebrand, or repurpose. And so these are perfectly edited for TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Stories. And they have these examples, but none of these are vertical videos. And so I don't know if these are actually vertical videos or what. 100% professional, ready-to-use dog video shorts. 365 days of done-for-you viral dog content for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Full unrestricted private label rights included. No attribution required. Instantly post and publish to build an audience. Never waste time creating content again. Immediate access, no waiting for designers. Perfect for your own client or affiliate offers. 24/7 support from the Let's Go Viral team. And this guy makes great videos. I know I've bought through him as an affiliate before. So here's the funnel. The front end is $12.95 with the 365 ready-to-use professional dog videos. Full private label rights to rebrand, edit, and resell contents. And I'm hoping these are vertical videos. If they're not, you can always convert them at Canva. That's how I do my vertical videos, is through Canva. And then OTO 1 is $27 for another 1,000 dog videos. OTO number 2, make money with videos, shorts training for $47. So learn how to make money doing shorts. And OTO 3, done for you dog video shorts business for $67. Oh, that's, you can get 100% commissions on all sales for $67. $750 per Instagram post, according to a manager for pet influencers. It's for the general make money online audience, PLR audience, and affiliate marketers. Anyways, keep watching. Okay, friends, so here we are on the sales page for the dog PLR. Attention PLR buyers, internet marketers, and animal-loving entrepreneurs. This is your chance to quickly dominate the $261 billion dog owner niche. Viral dog video shorts. Get instant access to 365 professionally made viral dog video shorts. And he says they're shorts here, perfectly edited for TikTok, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Stories. And see, like here, unrestricted usage rights, talking about how great shorts are. The dog video shorts niche is a huge opportunity. And so, like, you could take these videos and rebrand them and, like, put different music or put words over it. A call to action, like, click the link in my bio or whatever. Or subscribe now and just build a big audience with these videos. I was thinking I could buy these videos and then put out a DVD, like funny dog videos or something. And here you see, like, here's some shorts. So there's like some examples, and these are the right size and everything, and you could just put new music and add words on top of them. Incredible opportunity. An entire year of done-for-you content, full unrestricted private label rights included, no attribution, instantly post and publish to build an audience. See, I would probably take the time to re-edit them and put some new music and put a call to action on them. Like, I wouldn't just use them as is. I would fix them up a little bit, and you can do that easily on Canva. Never waste time creating content again. Immediate access, no waiting for designers. Perfect for your own client or affiliate offers. Guaranteed to make your audience smile. 24/7 support from the Let's Go Viral team. And you get bonuses. You get 5,000 motivational and inspirational quotes. 50 funny dog memes. Here's a bunch of other ways to profit with these videos you're getting the rights to. Start a daily, weekly dog video newsletter. Create a dog owner membership site. Compile these videos in presentation slides. Offer the videos as a lead magnet. Build a dog owner email list. Resell the videos to other PLR buyers. Give away these videos in a bonus bundle. Oh, damn, I got a tickle in my throat. License the content to pet influencers. Use these videos as creative for video ads. Watch the videos and enjoy them yourself. The possibilities are endless. You are just one viral dog video away from success. All these different videos. So that's what it is. Keep watching. Hello, friend, Mormo here, and I'm going to work on my art now. And here's one of my art cards, and you can see it signed on the back. And they're just like baseball card sized. And there's one of my art cards. And the Crying Hoodlum is still available on eBay right now. And there's the signature on the back, and they're both up for sale right now. And I have 3 blank cards. I cut 3 blank cards the other night, and so I'm going to work on my art now. I'm just waiting to see if I get it approved as an affiliate for that dog PLR product, and if that would be awesome if I do. I wish now I would have asked for a review copy, because it would be nice to review it or get a review copy. I should have asked for a review copy, but because I don't think I'm gonna buy it, just because, like, I'm not a dog person. If it was like cat videos, I probably would buy it. So maybe his next one would be cat videos, and that would kind of like coincide with my online business a little better, cat videos. But for you, maybe you want dog videos. Just keep watching. I'm going to work on my art now. Hello, friend. It's very late at night. It's my work night is almost over, and I never got approved for that affiliate offer. So real quick, I'm going to show you my new art card. It's a new crime fantasy card. And you can see there's the signature on the back, and I just completed it tonight and got it listed on eBay. It's currently $19.99. Buy it now on eBay with free shipping, and I'll put a link to my store in I'll put a link to my eBay store in the description. And if you want to buy the dog PLR, just like buy it from someone else and get somebody else's bonus. And thanks so much, and have a great night.